Who is at this?
Gopika ma'am,
Why you in
this is a classroom rate, but unofficially it is a
room
hotel
rate? Hotel room rate.
So,
Come,
ma'am,
come, come. This is the room. So this is cupboard. This is cupboard. This is cupboard. I can hide all my
ma'am, what
clothes.
is this?
This is actually இன்னைக்கு வந்து when I came to the airport, student வந்து they have drawn Navya. Regular students, so Navya has drawn and brought it to the airport. So இதுதான்
Student wanted a proper hotel.
hotel tour. They wanted home tour, but இன்னைக்கு வந்து this is hotel room. கொஞ்சம் மெஸ்ஸியா இருக்கு. He did not tell me that he was coming. இல்லைனா I would have cleaned all of this. Okay, what is the students will think that
What happened? Electrol?
yaar every time sick only. So energy ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கு. So electrolyte, Vicks. Actually I look like a medical store, no?
And I have heard somewhere that ma'am in the childhood you have faced a lot of struggle and right now you can see, right?
This is what Vedantu has given me and my GMAs have given me. Students are telling that ma'am, you're becoming a celebrity, Elena. We are so proud of you. So students also have seen that journey, from zero to whatever we have become, and I think this is actually, this is crazy. This is crazy. So I think this is our room tour. All of you have seen. There are so many cupboards that I can store my GMAs, and this is like one GMA, one GMA, one GMA. Avlo store room vandirukku. But this hotel, we will also show you the other part. Ma'am, pool irka, ma'am, gym irka, ma'am, ellame irka. But this is my room. I think.
Ma'am, you are a coffee person or a tea person? What is
I
this?
am a coffee person. I will start drinking after some time because இப்போ வந்து I have the energy, but after some time I will definitely start drinking. Let me also show you the view of my room as well. Since you guys are here, my food is here because இன்னைக்கு வந்து I had lunch at 5 o'clock. See, this is the view of our prime Chennai. Yes.
So ma'am, food? Again biryani?
Yeah, biryani. Diet. So follow your diet, eat healthy. Okay, these people bought me biryani. I don't eat biryani.
Now all the students are facing demotivation. They should drop. There are a lot of questions. Last 20 days time, what they should do?
ஸோ ஆக்சுவலி டைம் வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியாக இருக்கும். ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து என்ன ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணணும்னா, ஆஸ் ஐ ஆல்ரெடி டோல் யூ பிஃபோர், உங்கள் வந்து ஹை வெயிட்டேஜ் கான்செப்ட் ரிவிஷன், அதே மாதிரி பிஒய்க்யூ ப்ராக்டிஸ் அண்ட் கொஞ்சம் அடிஷ்னலாக செட் ஆஃப் கொஷின்ஸ் லைக் நம்ம எய்ம்ஸ் லெவல் கொஷின், ஏஐபிஎம்கே லெவல், ஜிப்மா லெவல் கொஷின்ஸ், அந்த மாதிரி கொஷின்ஸ் வந்து ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ண. அண்ட் தெர் இஸ் நோ டைம் ஃபார் யூ டு சிட் அண்ட் ரிவைஸ் தி என்டையர் சிலபஸ். ஸோ மேக்ஸிமமாக கான்செப்ட் கொஷின் அண்ட் வி நீட் தமிழ்நாடு இஸ் தேர் ஃபுல் பிளான் செட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ யூ கேன் ஃபாலோ அண்ட் தெர் ஆர் லாட் ஆஃப் ஹெல்பிங் ஹேண்ட்ஸ். ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து வரி பண்ண வேண்டாம்.
So ma'am, I have heard there are a lot of students coming on the event who are like MBBS second year.
Yes,
students,
first year students, yes.
toppers. So ma'am, can you please, like what about this struggle story and why this event?
Actually, that's what I told. No, in the event one day, it is actually I'm very very grateful because it is a community of people who are helping நம்ம students. நம்ம நீட் ஆஸ்பிரன்ஸுக்கு எவ்வளோ மோட்டிவேஷன் கொடுக்க முடியும், இல்லைன்னா அவரோட ஸ்ட்ரகிள், அவரோட மிஸ்டேக்ஸ், அது எல்லாமே கரெக்ட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி ஒரு செட் ஆஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸு தான். ஸோ ஐ ஃபீல் ஐ எம் வெரி வெரி ஹாப்பி தட் ஐ ஹாவ் திஸ் செட் ஆஃப் community of students as well. Okay, I'm very happy that we have something like this, and very grateful for Vedantu for taking an initiative and bringing us also for this event. So it is going to be crazy. Trust me, it's going to be crazy. It's like seeing all doctors together.
So ma'am, now your personal life, right?
Do you think I have a personal life after all this? Now I'm continuously travel பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன், so there's no personal life. But anyway.
So ma'am, I can see, right? You are like too much. But I can see glow in your face, right? So any beauty tips for the student? What is your favorite brand? Anything like that?
I use a lot of lipsticks that students know, different lipsticks. So this is my lipstick box, but there's nothing else. Like there's no beauty secret or anything.
Ma'am,
But
I think your bag needs to be checked.
you have already checked my bag, and students are commenting, "Ma'am, is this necessary, ma'am?" Okay. Actually, I have student had given me this, and other than that, nothing I have. Okay, I just have a bracelet. I have tissues, and avloda. I just have some ornaments. Okay. And what else do I have? Nothing else. I have just a few lips. Students keep asking me about lipstick, but I'm not going to reveal. It is not very necessary. Okay. Medical equipments, electrolytes, Vicks, anga Volini irukku. அதே மாதிரி headache because I get a lot of migraine. I get a lot of migraine because of light and everything. And நான் வந்து choose பண்ணியிருக்கிற career is all about lights, right? Lights, camera, action. and I get headaches because of flight.
Ma'am, what is your favorite team? I know you are staying in Karnataka, Bangalore, and your favorite students CMS are all over Tamil Nadu.
Exactly, ரொம்ப controversial. Okay, it's like your father loves CSK and your mother loves RCB. Now select your father or mother. அந்த மாதிரி தான். Actually, as I always tell, I am an RCB fan. I love RCB. But அதில் மேலே வந்து I like Virat Kohli as a person and I like Mahi, my MS Dhoni as a person. So I like their combination as always. So more than their CSK or red and yellow, I like these two people. That is why I like cricket. Yeah, ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ದೇ. I don't know. Actually, today I was seeing a flight. You saw, no? Flight was there, which was having the entire Chennai Super Kings with a painting. So I was telling now, students will be super excited if they saw the flight. Actually, when the flight had lot of disturbance, the turbulence was crazy. I thought I won't land. Okay, yeah, we got scared, no? Full turbulence because Chennai climate was rainy and so when the flight was coming down, I was like, "Ayo, I'm gone."
And when was your first flight?
I think my first flight was when I took to my native, but for the event, my first flight was in 2024. I still remember Baswa sir and LRM and that was my first flight. And I was so excited. And that time also I came to Chennai. I've come all the times to Chennai. And Chennai is one of my favorite places now. So I will stay here.
So biryani, Chennai, everything is your favorite. So what
Chennai.
is your daily routine? If I want to ask, like out of classroom, after classroom, what is your day? From morning till
evening. So morning, usually I wake up little late. Okay, morning when I wake up little late, and once I wake up, then I start. The first thing I do, what? Guess? I open my laptop. Yeah, I open my laptop. So my mom will tell, "Oh, she has woken up now. She'll open her box." Amma vanda she calls the laptop a box because I first come like this and I open the laptop. Laptop open panadhukku appuram I'll check what and all classes are planned, students would response and very bad habit. In the bed itself, I open the comments. And in case or a negative comment irunda, I spoil my entire day on the negative comment. Like let's say one comment irunda kuda, I will be like, why did I do that? Oh, why students telling like this? Why is this happening? Why is that happening? So that is why I tell students, do not put negative comments. Do not put very rude comments for your teachers because neenga vanda oru comment podumbodhu you will be thinking, oh, let her get hurt. But actually teachers spoil the entire day thinking of that one comment because majority teachers I know open the comment section in the early morning. First vision of their life is the comments. So please try to avoid putting rude comments.
Ma'am, I have seen thousands of message and the photos, right? The Bangalore, which I will be adding here in this video as well. The emotion, it shows, right? Real love, what you have done for students.
Yes.
So, any memories you want to share?
I think everything is a memory, but definitely the memory. Recently, I had gone to Tirunelveli, and that student was fasting. Okay, and what she did was she came at 5 o'clock. அவருக்கு வந்து 6:30க்கு she had to break her fast and she has not drank a single drop of water also, no saliva going in, nothing, and she stayed there waiting for me because my flight was delayed. And when I went there, her father was like, ma'am, can you please talk to her fast because we have to break this one and she's not eaten anything till this time. Even though she was feeling dizzy, she had no energy, she still waited for 1.5 hours for me to come and meet. And I think that is very special. And she had bought me halwa also, just so that I can taste it and have it. So every moment is special. One student had made me mutton curry and come and students had drawn my photo taking 4 hours. Students had drawn my photos, made edits. From Andhra Pradesh students had come in. So I feel, I don't think I can point out எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுமே என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்கோ அது எல்லாமே ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷல் தான். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸே நமக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷல் தான். ஏர்போர்ட்டில் ட்ராவல் பண்ணி ட்ராப் பண்ணுறது இல்லைன்னா மீட்டிங் எல்லாமே ரொம்ப ஸ்பெஷல். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இட் செல்ஃப் makes this job worth it. Otherwise, I don't think there is much more color to this job. The only colorful thing is our students.
And ma'am, we need to show the hotel tour. So
Yes.
you'll be guiding us.
Yes.
But last question.
Okay.
What is your comfortable place? When I ask comfortable place, like on summer, because after the examination, re-meet happens, right? All the students will go to grandmother.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what was your memory and what you will do after this?
I feel little scared to tell what I will do after re-NEET because நீட்டுக்கு அப்புறம் நான் வந்து ஒரு வெக்கேஷன் எடுத்தப்போ தான் re-NEET நடந்திருக்கு. ஸோ அதனால I'm scared to tell about any vacation. But I want to sleep for like, you know, like 48 hours. I want to non-stop sleep because my sleep is not over. So I think after re-NEET, I will just take 2 days break just to sleep. That's the
So
thing.
then let's go.
Yes,
To the hotel
let's go,
tour.
let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.